So I'm Mike Potter and I'm CEO of a company called Drive Electric, and we're here today to help promote both transition to electric vehicles, but also how electric vehicles work in the energy system. So primarily Drive Electric is a vehicle leasing business, but as such we're a complete service provider. So we look at charging, we look at things like driver experience and how you can help drivers to make the transition. We supply both vans and cars, so to a big range of businesses. We're really looking to find out and test some of our newer products that we've got around energy and how that works with vehicles.
Sure. My name's Adam Wright. I'm from Measurable Energy. We've come to EMEX this year because we're in this perfect storm of energy prices rising and this drive for us to achieve net zero. And companies like Measurable Energy are taking an active step to solve some of these problems and issues that we've got there, and we want to be here and we want to represent, and we're growing our company and our footprint, and we want to shout about our system to everyone. So at Measurable Energy, we go into commercial buildings and we identify, using machine learning and our own hardware, energy waste across all of the devices that are plugged in to plug sockets. We identify what those devices are, when they're on, when they're off, when they're on standby. And then using our machine learning, we can tell when they're wasting energy and turn them all off, and then turn them all back on before people get back to that office.
Hi there, yeah, my name's Andy Sumner. I'm the Commercial Director for Future Motors, and we're at EMEX to spread the good word about our proposition. We think it's the right audience, the right people, and we think it's the right time. Future Motors, we're a distributor for a Silicon Valley-based company called Turntide, and Turntide have developed something called a switch reluctance motor, which in a nutshell is a software-driven motor that is significantly more efficient in its consumption of electricity than traditional motors, and its application is in heating and ventilating, so HVAC, and in pumps, and so it's pretty topical for EMEX in that it can reduce an organisation's electricity consumption, somewhere between fairly and very material.
Hello, I'm Addy. I'm responsible for offerings, sustainability and energy offerings for Honeywell. My one mission in life right now is to make buildings net zero. So looking at net zero from perspective of the total energy consumption, both embodied and operational. So that's what we are looking at. So Honeywell is a control systems at heart, and we work in different verticals. We work in aerospace, we work in industrial businesses, we work in logistics, and of course we work in buildings. In buildings, we take care of the controls part, we take care of security and safety. We work with energy optimization strategies. We work with overall solutions to make buildings as efficient and as, I would say, healthy as possible, right? So that's really key for us.
Hi, I'm Laurie Wood. I am the UK and Ireland Sustainability Sector Lead for the British Standards Institution, BSI. We're here at EMEX. We have a stand, but really I'm here to see what is going on within the business, within the sector, and very interested to see some of the presentations that are being made. BSI, we're probably best known for auditing against various standards such as ISO 9001 for quality management, ISO 14000 for environmental management. We have recently moved more into the sustainability arena with some new standards, 50001 for energy management, and also some carbon footprint schemes, things like ISO 14064, PAS 2060, working with organisations to help them achieve their net zero goals.
I'm Martin Kenzie, I'm the UK Sales Manager for 2G Energy in the UK. Predominantly I'm involved with the hydrogen development and hydrogen rollout of gas engines in the UK. We're in MX here basically to promote the fact that obviously hydrogen engines are available now. We've been producing hydrogen engines for 12 years, but also the fact that it's easy to upgrade or retrofit an existing gas engine to run with hydrogen. So we're obviously advising people as well on how they can take the existing stock, the existing assets that they've got now and convert them to hydrogen, which is obviously being converted to a zero carbon fuel and then obviously a zero carbon energy source.
My name's Graham Reid. I'm the product manager for Europe for Ingersoll Rand Industrial Rotary Products. That covers a wide range of products. Our main focus is industrial rotary screw compressors, both oil flooded and oil free, for the general manufacturing market. These compressors go in all forms of industry, from transport, pharmaceutical, general manufacturing, building product manufacturing such as cement mixing. I mean, really all industries use compressed air. So, you know, it's really a real big thing for us to be concentrating on energy efficiency at the moment. And what we've seen is recently is a big change in the total cost of ownership of an air compressor.
Yeah, hi, I'm Tony Wright. I'm the head of digital sales at EMEX. We're here promoting our digital solutions, mainly upgrading BMS solutions and looking at energy monitoring solutions. And we also have a new platform for indoor air quality certification. It's a great show for us because the people attending are like-minded to ourselves and they're all interested in our platforms, energy saving, carbon reduction, obviously helping them with their sustainability programs and their net zero commitments. EMEX are predominantly a fan and drive manufacturer. You'll find our products in most of the commercial buildings around the UK. But I head up the digital department. We started about 4 years ago to digitalize our own products and to actually look at the built environment. We're predominantly focused on legacy building upgrades, so introducing new technologies to existing buildings. One of our main drivers is sustainability, energy reduction and carbon reduction.
I'm Josh Kirk, I'm the Group Marketing Manager for Pilot Group. So we're here at EMEX today just to learn a bit more about the marketplace, speak to people about any potential partnerships where there's a bit of benefit for both the businesses, but also to see if we can help any businesses with our service offering, help them reduce those energy costs and consumption. So we know it's a bit of a kind of sensitive topic at the moment and businesses get hit quite hard by it. So we do everything, look at business kind of energy as a whole. So we do from energy audits to electrical analysis. But actually where we think we're really good is helping businesses reduce their gas consumption, typically in an industrial or manufacturing space. We retrofit our systems to their heaters and using the residual heat of the burner, we turn the flame off to keep the fans flowing and use that residual heat to top up target temperatures. Mix that with the sensors, both internal and external, use weather compensation. It means we reduce their energy consumption by about 25 to 40%.
Hi, I'm Ross Moffat. I'm Sales Director of Everrun. We're here at EMEX today to create a bit of brand awareness about what we do and why we do it. Where better to do it than in the City of London with all of our suppliers and friends around us. So yeah, that's why we're here today. Everrun are renewable energy management specialists. We've been in renewable energy for over a decade. Provisionally we were in the wind industry, but recently over the last 18 months we diversified the portfolio to look at all renewable energy sources. Things from like solar, HVAC solutions, wind in itself and software to help monitor and manage some of the efficiencies within businesses. Our core aim, I guess, is to try and reduce high energy usage in commercial industries and industrial. And we're operating currently throughout Ireland and we're moving across to the GB here in the next 12 months.
Hi, my name's Miles. I am the Head of Business Development at GridDuck. We've come to this conference because it is the Energy Management Conference. It's a really, really interesting space to see all the innovation. So in summary, it is a software to monitor and control energy use. We can connect to individual appliances, circuits, meters, see precisely how much energy they're using, as well as also apply automations to turn them off when they're not in use. We're now also introducing other forms of telemetry like temperatures, CO2, humidity, just to paint a wider picture as to what exactly is happening within your business. And once you've got that tool, once you've got that information, you can take intelligent actions. And in some cases, put the automation through from our dashboard as well.
So Synergy, we basically monitor and measure any premises for their energy consumptions, their cost centres, so that they can have a visual and a automated footprint of where they're spending their money and what is consuming that money and what they can do about reducing that expenditure. We came last year and had a good show, and we're pleased with the customers that came. It's about the calibre of the customers, so we're pleased this year. Today's been a good day. We've met some very high-flying accounts. We have a few in our other business, in our LED lighting business, and we've had some of those cross-fertilised to this show and come and see us. So we're pleased.
And we're also finding that the industry is not, well, any industry is not quite ready. That we're not measuring anything. So more than anything, we're trying to also raise awareness at the same time.